In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a part of the drawing in AutoCAD. If you've ever needed to share just a portion of a large drawing, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to set up a clean, precise print of only the area you need. First, open the plot dialog. You can do this by pressing Ctrl-P on your keyboard, or by clicking the plot icon on the toolbar. This brings up the main plotting window where you'll make all your print choices. Next, tell AutoCAD which portion to print. In the Plot dialog, find the Plot Area section and in the What to Plot dropdown, choose Window. As soon as you pick Window, the dialog will minimize so you can select the region. Click once to set one corner. Then click again to define the opposite corner and create a rectangle around the exact part of the drawing you want to print. Take your time framing this box so it includes everything you need and nothing you don't. Once you've made the selection, you'll return to the Plot dialog to adjust your settings. Start by choosing your output device under Printer or Plotter. Pick your physical printer if you are going straight to paper, or choose DWG to PDF if you want a PDF file. Selecting the right device helps AutoCAD show you accurate paper sizes and margins. Choose the appropriate paper size next. Match the paper size to what you'll actually use so the preview and final output are consistent. To keep your selection nicely positioned, check Center the Plot. This makes sure your windowed area sits in the middle of the page instead of hugging an edge. For scale, you have two options. If the goal is to fill the sheet cleanly, check Fit to Paper and AutoCAD will scale the selection to the page. If you need a precise scale, uncheck Fit to Paper and set a specific value such as 1/100. Be mindful of your drawing units so the scale reflects real-world measurements. Choose a plot style that matches your deliverable. Pick monochrome, CTB for crisp black, and white output, which is common for documentation. Before committing, click Preview. This shows exactly how the print will look, including placement, scale, and line weights. If everything looks right, right-click in the preview and select Plot, or close the preview and click OK in the Plot dialog. If something's off, simply exit the preview to adjust your settings and try again. And that's it. Thanks for watching.